guys, how are y'all doing? What's up? So today I made my version of Ethiopian Ethiopian food. I have lentil, which is Misir wat, and Gomen wat, which is greens. I'm sorry, I fought so long. Greens, but I did instead of like collard greens, I did kale, and then I just did African spiced chicken. That is our dinner today, y'all. I'm ready to get it in. I'm hungry. I took my hair down, so like that's why I got this scarf on because it says some twists. But anyway, yeah, y'all, ready to get it in, get it started. Hope y'all doing very well. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share amongst your friends and family. Please do. Thank you. So yeah, y'all, let's dig in. And for drink, sippy sip, we're doing super cluster lagunitas. And the bread, I did not make the injera, y'all. This is just some injera that I had from my coworker who is Eritrean, which is very close to Ethiopia. If you don't know geography, it's very close. And they do that too. And this is her bread, but everything else is mine and that I cooked. But I had some of her bread because I was about to go back and make some injera, y'all. It's a long process, and I was about to do it. And I always take her bread that's left over when she makes it for us, so I just take some and freeze it because she does the same thing. So that's what I got. And okay. So baby, you didn't have to not eat. You could. No one's looking at you. So Nate, you eat. Nate is starting off. I season the chicken with Berbere spice, and then I even sprinkle some other spices on it. How it tastes?
Tastes really good.
I marinated. Okay, I'm gonna taste because I've tasted everything except for the chicken. Everything except for the chicken. And I gotta. So y'all gonna get on me for even eating with a fork. Cause I'm gonna get rid of the fork. I should not be eating with a fork. I should be eating with my fingers. So eat it right. So sorry, y'all. Let me eat with my fingers. With the injera. Sorry. I did have a fork. Shouldn't have been eating with a fork. You want a bite? I gotta use the right one. With your hands. That's good. So let's try this chicken. I'm gonna bite right here. Here. I made the chicken in the air fryer. So.
Yeah, it tastes how good it is and shit. It's super good.
I'm good flavor. I'm marinated for like. How long did I marinate for? Like an hour?
North of an hour.
North of an hour. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. Ooh, that flavor was good though. I did the Ethiopian spices and a little bit other spices, but oh man, this is good. Y'all want some? I know this isn't traditional, y'all, so don't come for me or whatever. I know it's not traditional, but this is what I made. Oh my god, so good. Yeah, we just hanging in there as far as everything else. I'm still out of work. We all still out of work. That is still going on. We're going to be out of work. I got news from my job that it'll be at least another 3 weeks that I'll be out of work. So, yeah. So, I'm trying to embrace other hobbies. That's why I've been cooking more. I mean, I cook anyway, but I've been doing other stuff. So freaking good. I don't want some more greens on here. Nathan does not like injera. Don't come for him, but he just don't. I don't know, maybe it's since he doesn't like the sour. I don't know. He doesn't like.
It's just a little bit too sour.
He don't like it, but I feel like he should just eat it all together with everything, like in a bite like this. Eat this bite. I just gave him that bite as well with the bread. Did you like it like that? I just gave him like a awesome bite. If he's a hater, then y'all come for him in the comments because that was a good bite.
I can't hate on that one. Congratulate.
I was like, if he hates on that bite, then because that was a good old bite, y'all. With the, because I'm just trying to be a little more authentic. Oh, my fingers. So good. We've been watching a lot of cooking shows. I always watch cooking shows. I've been watching cooking shows since I was a little baby. I love watching cooking shows. That's my jam. And we've been watching together. Well, one thing that we love watching is the British baking bake-off or whatever. That is hilarious to us. We love watching that. I love watching cooking shows. I got him into that. I also love watching Chef Show, The Chef Show, which is, I think I mentioned this before on my channel. The Chef Show is based on the actual chef movie, which that was really good. And after that, we got into Ugly Delicious, as well as his other show. I like watching him. I like people going around the world. I like to learn about different spices. I like all that stuff, y'all. So I'm here for it. This is really good. I only made a few chicken legs. I'm gonna maybe we'll try made more. This is delicious. But y'all, you're gonna come from me and say it's not traditional. Whatever. I know it's not traditional. Well, actually, the way I've made a lot of stuff is traditional, but some of the stuff ain't. And I'm aware. But I made it for it to work for me and my family and my household. And what I like. And I need some more greens. So, hold on a minute. I'll be right back. Pause this. Okay, y'all. I'm back. I had to get some more greens and a little bit more lentil. It's so good, y'all. Nathan ate most of all his food too, so we have to replenish. It's so good. And this was frozen Injera, and I just put a little water on it and put it in the microwave. And heat it back up. So good. Some of it was a little freezer burn, but that's just, what happened. And the rest was good. And just mix it up. And eat it. Okay, Nathan waiting on me because he wants to take a shot. Hold on. I was into my food. It's all spicy. And then I put chilies in the greens too. Salud, y'all. Hope y'all doing well. To good health and all that. Woo! Oh, can you do me a favor? Open this because my hands are so dirty. I don't know. Y'all. Good. So many good spices. I was gonna do, well, I told you I was gonna do Ethiopian, so that was the next thing I was gonna do. We taking trips around the world, y'all. In my kitchen. We just going around.
That's the thing is that the chicken is so fire, with the spices in the air fryer,
I did the chicken in the air fryer. I did the lentils in the Instant Pot. The only thing I cooked on the stove was the Gomen, which was the greens. That's the only thing. There's so many flavors. You get mustard.
It's all very good.
It's so good, y'all. Like, it's delicious. Like, I can't explain how good it is, but
inside my mouth.
It's just so good. Either if you know about, if you eat Ethiopian food or if you eat African food, then you know. In the back, crispy yummy chicken.
Crispy, juicy in the inside. So
I know the air fryer made it so crispy, but it's still
you don't even have to like add, just put sauce on it. Just the way it is perfect. You know, either way it is. You didn't drown with sauce or nothing because
no, you don't need no sauces. None of that is needed. You don't need to put nothing else on this. It's
so flavorful.
Yeah. It's so good. It is healthy. I didn't fry nothing in no oil. The only oil that I used was like clarified butter ghee for just to saute the vegetables that go in the Gomen and that go in the what else? With the lentil. There and then a little there was nothing like super fried in oil. It's all very healthy. And you know, you could just eat the lentil and the greens and then put something else with it and not even have any meat. Like, excuse me, it's very interchangeable. You can keep it completely vegetarian if you want. I didn't because I had some chicken and I wanted to have chicken with it. But you can also have it completely vegetarian if you want. I got a little bit more injera on the side here, so I'm gonna crumble some more. And my food mixer. This is good, y'all. Very happy that I made. And it's late, y'all, but I just went ahead and made this dinner anyway. We had watched a movie. We watched The Irishman, which was good. Longest ever, but good. Y'all want the batter? That good old batter. This gonna cook perfect. I'm not smacking y'all, but it took perfect down to the bone. It's just, I'm saving that last little piece for when I, on my end, this last little bite, I'm saving because I want it once I get to the end. It just tastes so good. And I know it would have been even more flavorful. I only marinated for like an hour, so I'm gonna marinate for like a few hours or overnight. Oh my goodness, y'all. But no, did what I had to do in the time I had. But yeah. We still got the same stuff going on in Chicago. Same restrictions. I told y'all to close down the parks and beaches because people was outside buckwilding and not keeping the social distance, and that's what happened. Other than that, I'm doing my super cuss. I'm thirsty. Other than that, that's how it's been here. We've been pretty much staying in the house besides going for walks and going to the grocery store. Other than that, we have been check on your elderly though, check on your older people in your family. Make sure they're okay and stuff, because you know a lot of services aren't out right now because of the virus, so make sure your older family know that it's okay. It's for checking on people. You never know. Oh, that's good. Like that just made it's good.
It's that good.
It is. I wish I would have made a few more chicken.
This shit was fire.
Well, I made chicken legs. I would tell that man some more.
That crisp, you know what I'm saying? It's
And it got so crispy.
So flavorful.
I cooked them in there for like a little under 30 minutes for the chicken legs.
Damn.
They came out so good, y'all. We sitting here wishing we had some more chicken. We do have more chicken, but I don't feel like making them. Maybe I will. I don't know. It was so good. Let me get my last bite. I'm enjoying that clean plate. Mmm. Mmm. I was over because they looked at me like, darn. Good. Let me go away. Even Kayla looking at me through the window. Because that chicken was fire.
It was fire.
Ooh, y'all, that was good. Okay. Just checking in with y'all. Hope y'all doing all right. Hope everybody is being safe, washing hands, doing all that stuff, like I said before. I'll be back. Me and Nate need to do some couple stuff. Like, leave some couple chats. Like, I don't even remember all the couple chats. I've seen a few. Leave some stuff down below. Anybody gonna leave it because anybody watching this long. Or maybe y'all are watching this long. But we need to do some more stuff. And I know that. But what are y'all doing during this quarantine? What are y'all doing? Like, I've got some more stuff to draw. I'm about to be reading more. What are y'all doing? I want to like get back into yoga. What are y'all doing during this quarantine? Because we're doing some things. Oh, excuse me. But we are open to do more things. And if you want to see us doing some, let me know down below. Anyway, I will see y'all later this week. Hope y'all doing well. Hope everybody's being safe. I know it's a struggle right now, y'all, but we'll get through this. This too shall pass. Hopefully, either that or the world will end, y'all. Oh my goodness. No. Let me stop. But all right. Okay. I will see y'all later. Thank you for everybody who is supporting me and all that. I'm very appreciative. All my new subscribers, very appreciative. All my ride or dies, very appreciative of y'all too. Never forget when you came from. But all right. Love you, love you, love you. Peace. Bye. Bye, y'all.